In this problem, we need to simplify 27/64 to the 2/3 power. Okay, so let's see, 2/3 power. We have a numerator and denominator with that exponent. So the numerator of the exponent, that's telling us that we're going to square it. That's telling us what to do with the power. The denominator of the exponent is telling us that that's the type of root that we have. Okay, so since it's a 3, that means I'm going to take the cube root of 64. Okay, and then since it's a 2, the power is 2. Okay, so instead of a fractional exponent, 2/3, I'm going to rewrite that with a cube root and then to the power of 2. Now, cube root of 27 and then cube root of 64, so we can just take and cube root the numerator and the denominator separately. Cube root of 27 is 3, cube root of 64 is 4, and then when I square those, I would get squaring in the numerator, 3 squared is 9, 4 squared is 16. So my final answer is 9/16.